So Tom, you bought it how many years
So I
ago?
bought this, I think it was in the late 80s, like 87, 88, from a fella in Canada. So I bought it in British Columbia. And the fella who had it had bought it from the second owner, and it had been restored by another fellow in Canada who bought it from the original owner. And the original owner had bought this from Dealey's shop in Vancouver, BC, who is now a big Harley dealer.
Oh, really?
I think they were back then, but they were also West Coast Canadian distributor for Triumph. So the original owner bought this from the Dealey shop, and then he just got married, so him and his wife went on their honeymoon on this thing down to Oregon and back.
Oh, okay.
So I call it a honeymoon bike.
When Doug sent an email, and he identified it as a Canadian bike, how did he know that? What's the distinguishing features about a Canadian Triumph versus any other Triumph?
The only thing I can think of is if you look at the fenders, they have a full valance on the front and rear.
Yeah.
That was an option. You could find that in the Triumph catalog as an option, and they were called kind of a road-going option or something.
Yes.
When they did that, they instead of having a 20-inch front wheel, which is what the U.S. Speed Twins did, they had a 19-inch.
I see.
And then they put this full valance fenders on it.
Yeah, okay.
And apparently it's a very rare option. Basically, I bought it in this condition.
Wow.
And it's an older restoration, so it's got some dings and stuff on it, but it's a good rider. And
what's it ride like? What's it like to ride?
It actually is surprising that girder front end, I think, handles better than our 50s Triumph Telescopic. It just seems like it's a little lower to the ground, and it just seems like it's a little more compliant. And but it's funny, you'll sit on that thing and you'll watch the bumps, and you can see all this mechanism in front of you just kind of do this. It's pretty crazy.
Well, it's beautiful, Tom. Thanks for bringing it today.
Yeah.
I remember seeing it at the One Show as well. It's always amazing. Thanks a lot, Tom. Yeah, thank you. So the brake lights are in the turn signals?
Yeah, I'll turn them on.
Yeah, please. Oh, yeah. And then when you do the turn signals, does it switch to orange? Oh, it's okay to have red, is it?
Russian aluminum better than plastic.
Okay, so hers to me feels like it's like